So many of you have been asking me about this collapsible net. Where do we fix it? Is it from the outside of the building? Is it from the inside? Do we attach it on the window? Where and how does it work? A lot of questions like this have been coming online, both on my Facebook page, on my TikTok, and my YouTube. So a lot of people keep asking, where exactly do we fix this collapsible net? Can it be attached on the window, or do we attach it on the burglary? How do we install it? So on this video, I'm going to show you where we install the collapsible net, whether or not it can be attached on the window or not. Okay, so on this video I'm going to show you very quick, and you will get to know exactly where we fix it. So this is the window now, the window wall, right? This is the window, as you can see. Okay, after window comes burglary. Now in the whole of this window wall, now three things we see here. Number one is the window, which is the one you see from the outside. The first one you will see from the outside. Then burglary comes in. Now between burglary and the window, there is a small space, okay, that enables your handle to come open and close, okay, without the handle touching your burglary. So, but when you now check from the burglary to the edge of this, there is another space again, okay, round the window, as you can see. So here, where this space is where you put your collapsible net. You don't attach your collapsible net to the window because it is not designed for such kind of installation. You don't attach it to your burglary because burglary is a metal, whereas this is an aluminium. Okay, so all you need to do is to install your collapsible net separately, just the way window is separate, burglary is separate, and then the collapsible net stands also separately. So let me show you this so that you will know what exactly we are talking about. All right, so this is how this will go. As you can see it now, it flushes with the edge of this window. Okay, this is a big window, so we divided it into two. So two of these we enter here now to cover here, and we did it like that just to ensure that the sliding is not stressful. Okay, we will be having double collapsible net on this window. So this is how the net fits in, and it flushes at the edge of this wall. Okay, it does not have anything to do with the window. It does not have anything to do with your burglary. Everything stays separately. Okay, thank you so much for watching. My name is James Eugene, the window expert. Reach out to my page. If you are not following me, please follow me on my Facebook page, on my YouTube page, and my TikTok. Alright, you'll be getting lots of videos like this, and also see it exactly when we are posting it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.